This is more than just a training initiative. This is lifelong learning skills that we're gaining here.
One thing that the military is trying to do, along with AMPED, is show that the big picture of hospitality and allowing them to come and see there's more to food service than standing in the kitchen and cooking all day, expands the knowledge and allows them to see the bigger holistic picture.
So when you come to an AMP session, you are actually learning different pathways that you can apply yourself to and get into that opportunity.
And when we get back to our units, we're able to take this knowledge that we learn here, the innovation that they're giving us, and we become force multipliers.
That helps us network with our sister services, not only sharing our similar issues that we do have, but also kind of using it as a brainstorming tool.
It was really great seeing the different branches having meaningful conversations and just enjoying the moment. I mean, look at this place, it was fantastic.
My message to leaders about sending them to AMP is it's a great tool to use, not only for future opportunities that they may have outside the military, it's something that we need to invest our people in.
With the knowledge that they provided today, it's going to force me to dig a little deeper into the supply chain. And as I'm getting close to transition out in my career, I think what they provided is what I needed to hear today.